I'm Lydia. I'm a team leader for arboriculture for Downer in the Hut. I came into tree work and started my apprenticeship with Downer in a very small but passionate tree crew in 2015. And I worked my way up the ranks, learning how to climb trees, clear trees around power lines and all aspects of tree work. And I was offered the opportunity to do a leadership program. It's called Te Ara Whanake, and it was specifically Wahine Toa, which is looking out for our Māori females. And after I did that, I realised that I had leadership potential within myself. And when I qualified as an arborist, I was quickly put into the job of senior arborist running crews. What I love about my role as team leader of arboriculture is it combines all of my life skills that I bring from being a mother of teenage children to my passion of trees and everything that I've been taught and shown, and it rolls it all up into one, and I feel really valued.